Hello everyone. Now we are going to making an experiment of generating traffic lights using push buttons. Firstly, we need the Arduino Uno, and then we need the breadboard. Now, firstly, 5 volts of pin of Arduino Uno is connected to the positive terminal of the breadboard, and now ground pin of the Arduino Uno is connected to the negative terminal of the breadboard, and then we need three different traffic colors LED lights and three resistors. Now place the LEDs as is shown in this video, and then the cathode terminal of LED is connected to the negative terminal of the breadboard, and the anode terminal is connected to the resistor, and the other side resistor is connected to the 13 pin of the Arduino Uno. Meanwhile, the cathode terminal of the second LED is connected to the negative terminal of the breadboard, and the anode terminal of the second LED is connected to the second resistor, and then the other terminal of the resistor is connected to the 11th pin of the Arduino Uno. Same like the third LED of the cathode is connected to the negative terminal of the breadboard, and the anode is connected to the terminal of the resistor, and the other side terminal of the resistor is connected to the 10 number pin of Arduino Uno. Now we need three push buttons and place it on the breadboard. Now the first push button of 1A terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the breadboard, and then the second push button of 1A terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the breadboard, and the third even while third one also connected to the positive terminal of the breadboard. And now the terminal 2 is connected to the resistor of the push button, and the terminal 2 of second push button is also connected to the terminal of the resistor, and the third push button of terminal is also connected to the another terminal side of the third resistor. Now the another side of this resistor terminal is connected to the 7th pin of the Arduino Uno. Same like this. And the second resistor of its terminal on the other side is connected to the 5th pin of the Arduino Uno. Meanwhile, the last push button, third push button of this resistor on the other side terminal is also connected to the second pin of the Arduino Uno. Now we are going through code. Now my code is what setup of the pin mode is 7 input, and pin mode 5 input, and the pin mode 2 input. Now pin mode 13 output, and pin mode 11 output, and the pin mode 10 output. Now we are going through old loop. For that, if of digital read of 7 is double equal to high, then digital write 13 is high, and then or else digital write of 13 is low. Next, if digital read of 5 is double equal to high, then digital write of 11 is high, or else digital write of 11 is low. If digital read of 2 is double equal to high, then digital write of 10 is high, or else digital write of 10 is low. In this 3, it had delayed 100 milliseconds delay. Now we are going to start our simulation. Now we can check while pressing the push button. Here we check that 3 bulbs are operating, hence proved. Thank you.